welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Airtm account. So if you also want to log into your Airtm account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome, or you can also directly open Airtm application in your mobile device. Now after opening the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in airtm.com, press enter. You can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Airtm. You can see several options over here. If you haven't created your account, go ahead and click on the join option that you can see right over here. If you have already created your account and you want to log into your account, simply click on the login option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be redirected to this kind of interface. You'll have to enter your credentials over here. First of all, enter your email. Make sure to enter the email address associated with your account. Now enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the option Forgot Your Password and you'll be able to reset your password. Or you can also log in with Google, Facebook or Apple. Now after entering your email address and password, simply click on the login option that you can see right over here. You can see over here you logged into your account. So that is how you log into Airtm account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.